Welcome to the Indo Affairs, and today I'm going to present with you a GST internal controls at the strategic, managerial and operational control. So let's start. The strategic controls are those controls that focuses on the long-term GST compliance and the risk mitigation strategies. The first strategic control that we can implement is the GST compliance framework, whereby you need to develop the policies for the tax planning, compliance and reporting. The second control is the risk assessment. Identify the potential GST risk, and these are the incorrect GST claims and the classification error that we often do, or the non-compliances of the provision of the act. The third one is GST optimization. In order to save the cost, or in order to save the GST, you need to explore the exemptions available or the lower tax rate, which can be plugged in wherever it is needed, and a proper tax structuring where the ITC can be utilized from another location. These are the strategic control. The fourth one is automation and technology use. Implement the GARP or GST software for accurate compliance in the reporting and to increase the efficiency of the process. The fifth one is the interbranch and across state transaction. Ensure that the proper tax treatment and the documentation such as the contract, the invoicing and the recording of those invoices of the interstate transaction. The sixth one is the vendor compliance management. Verify the vendor is GST compliant. That means he is not a bogus or he has some credibility in the market, so that your ITC would not be loses. Now let's talk about the managerial controls. The managerial controls are those controls that focuses on the governance, reporting and the regulatory compliances within the organization. The first is the GST audit and reporting. The organization or the management usually conduct the regular internal audit to identify and rectify the errors before it is highlighted by external party. The second one is the management review and the MIS reporting. Ensure the periodic review of the GST compliances report by the top management. And the third one is the legal and regulatory update. The management need to be updated on the GST law changes and their impact on their organization, so that the proper control can be implemented, and the training and awareness program must be on the periodic basis to help the finance and operational team on the GST compliances. The fifth one is the litigation management. The maintain proper documentation and the responses mechanism for the GST notices and the litigations. Now let's talk about the operational control. These control focus on the day-to-day GST related transaction and their compliances. The first is the invoice management. Ensure that all the invoices are timely issued or the debit or credit note are with the correct rates. And the second input tax credit, that is validate the ITC claim against the GST to be ensure the compliances within the section 16 and the 17 in case of the reversal, and in case of the 18 do the reversal. Verify. Third is a GST payment. Verify that all the GST payment are on time and are accurate, not excess paid or short paid. Thank you.